Hello, in this tutorial we will create a project with height and satellite data, define the generation area and generate the terrain. Start the program or generate a new project by choosing New in the File menu. In the Command panel, please select the Data tab and the first symbol, Elevation. Now click on the Load File icon and import the height data. It will ask to save the project. Give it a name and save it. That's our elevation data. That's the TIFF file. We see here latitude, longitude. If you click here, you can zoom to the selected element, in that case the TIFF file. And now we are going to import the satellite data. San Francisco ASF2 TIFF. Here we go, it's overlapping the elevation data. We can adjust the transparency of the satellite picture by moving that slider. So now we will proceed to generate it, build it. First, let's go to the tile grid section of the command panel under build. And here is where we adjust our grids. Yeah, I'm gonna call that one my area. We see here that it's defined by latitude and longitude. Right now it's 0. We have to draw it on the map, then latitude and longitude will show up in those fields. Also we can adjust the tile size and the tile count, and it's possible even like to lock one of those in order to have more control. Here I'm playing a bit with the settings so you see how it looks like. But one important thing is also going into the other panel, the projection panel under generation, because right now we need to establish a center for our generation, and it's important that that center is close to the area we want to generate. And well, it's not. Now it's the default center that's at 0, 0. And as you see, it's like pretty far away from our scene, and that's when you work with projections, if you are farther away from the center of your projection, you will get more distortion. That's the normal thing. So that's why we need to set it on grid and apply it like that. Apply. So now we are here and see where is our point now. Now it's in the center of our scene. If we are interested to have it on a corner, we can do it like that. And sometimes you may have some grid like, yeah, well, I have, I think my grid is a bit too big because I just wanted to have the satellite area. Okay, something like that it could do. So now again, set on grid and apply. Good. It's quite common to readjust the grid after applying the center of the scene. So that's what I'm doing now. See the position, it's there, and I'm fine with that. So now we are gonna build it, and we can build it from here. Here you have some options, like only selected grid, only selected format, and in the build settings is you can see like the format that you want to use for your generation. As you see, there is a broad choice of formats, so from Unreal, Datasmith, Collada, FBX, Spoof, many. We are gonna start with the standard one, and let's move back to generation. Okay, here is where we can build it, and you can also activate and deactivate tiles, and you can here say that you just want to build only the selected tiles, or alternatively you can also press F9 or go to the main panel and press build. The three ways will come to the same result. With Ctrl G you can access your scene in 3D, and if you zoom to select it, you can get a view of it. And that's it, that's our scene. As we see, there is elevation data. Here is the height. If we move our cursor around the scene, that will move, as well as our coordinates. Let's give it a try. I move the cursor here, and as we see here down, the numbers for height and coordinates are moving with it, like exactly pointing where I'm at each moment. And that's it all for today. See you next time.